So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make money through affiliate marketing here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up and you have an account created, I want you to go to the main screen here and go to the bottom right and press rewards. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to go to the top right area below the bell where it says invite friends and select that. Now, once you guys are here, this is how you guys can make money through affiliate marketing. So if you scroll down right here to where it says for me, freecash.com/r/my affiliate link or my code right here. If I were to share this with friends, so maybe I send this to a couple friends, I email to people, whatever the case may be, and they sign up, they get money, they start earning money, etc., using my link. In my case, I could potentially earn up to $133.33 for every friend referred. But if you were to go down right here, it'll show you referral earnings. So earnings, your earnings shows how much you have made from inviting your friends to Freecash. Pending earnings, we will release earnings from pending as soon as we verify that the completed actions comply with our terms and conditions. So basically, the easiest way to make money through affiliate marketing is sharing your link. And you can go ahead here, for example. So share your unique link. First 3 friends who joined before the time runs out will get you a random reward of up to $133. Your friends will also get up to $10 just by using your link. So you make a little bit of money on a successful referral. They make some money for signing up. All is good. If they, you receive an extra $13 when the friend makes their first withdrawal. You can go ahead, see the full terms and conditions, as well as which friends you have invited here. So if you want to make money through affiliate marketing, this is your way. You make the link, you can customize it, do what you got to do, share it with people, and then get the rewards in your account that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can make money through affiliate marketing here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.